Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ivan here. And this is the beginning of an entirely new series, which is called uh, Queen of VBA. So we will start from the scratch. First of thing, first, first thing first. Sorry. First thing first, we are actually, I believe that everyone who actually would like to start with Excel, with VBA, sure would already be very familiar with Excel. So, but not everyone actually knows how to actually enable or activate VBA, right? So we will start from the scratch. So you will see that there's nothing you can find about VBA here. So how can I actually activate it? It's very easy. You just go to File tab and you go to Options, and then you go to Customized ribbon. And the only thing you need to do here is actually add a new tab, which is called Developer. Add this new tab to the main tabs, and then it's done. You will be able to use VBA from now on for your entire life, as long as you don't uninstall Excel or something shitty happens like virus or something. Okay, so as you can see that by default, it's gonna be popular commands here. And if you scroll it down and up and down, you will not find developers. So all you need to do is go to all tabs. So it will display all the tabs that Excel currently can offer to you. And you just choose developer, just select it and click add. And now just click OK and magic happens. Now voila, you will have the developers. And this is the end of this first series. So like now you will be able to explore the world of VBA using Excel. Bye, see you next time. 我结束了。
你结束了。
嗯。